MobiFirst is one of the best mobile-first website developer software and a mobile-first e-commerce solution. It helps users create and design unlimited websites, web pages, e-commerce storefronts, and more that are optimized for mobile devices. Also, it allows free hosting with MobiFirst for a one-time fee. It comes with several expert solutions for making a stellar mobile-optimized website. These include pre-designed templates for businesses, widget-based development, e-commerce plugins that you can integrate and customize to build your website. Users can even build their desired website from scratch from the wide range of tools that it offers. Websites that are built using MobiFirst display some of the fastest loading times. Besides this, it also offers tools such as SEO, blog creation, website cloning, unlimited bandwidth and storage, and more to make the Google algorithm love your website. MobiFirst features and tools. The MobiFirst website developer comes loaded with features to help you make websites that are a favorite with Google. Some of the most useful features of this mobile-first website builder are listed as follows. 1. Free e-commerce storefront. MobiFirst comes with a mobile-first designed e-commerce solution for businesses and that too, for free. With this, users can add unlimited products with no limits on bandwidth either. The e-commerce store can further be integrated with PayPal or Stripe to receive direct payments. Using the e-commerce storefront by MobiFirst, users can record sales, generate invoices, get email notifications all in one platform. Plus, you can get the e-commerce storefront totally free as a limited period offer, which is active now. 2. Free hosting. With MobiFirst, you can create an unlimited number of websites, web pages or e-commerce sites and host them for free. The even better news is that all of this is included in a one-time fee. Plus, MobiFirst hosts websites with a closed-source platform, providing you with top-class security against cyber attacks or hacking threats. 3. CSS Editing. Like other well-known website developers like WordPress, MobiFirst allows users to fully customize their websites according to their design aesthetic. Users can customize everything starting from header and footer to backgrounds and fonts. They can also enable custom CSS editing. You can also select from the wide range of customizable in-house styles that MobiFirst offers. 4. Local business templates. Whether you are a fashion retailer, a food delivery company, or are in the real estate business, MobiFirst has inbuilt templates to host an ideal website for your business. This site builder comes with 70+ themes that cover more than a dozen niches, all of which are customizable. Moreover, you can also switch between themes without losing any of the work done so far. 5. Multiple device views. This is one of the unique features provided by MobiFirst. It allows users to see exactly how their website will appear across devices. You can now determine and then modify what content appears on your website and where on each device, a mobile, desktop or tablet. In this way, you get complete control over how users will see your website on mobile devices. 6. Wide choice and widget selection. MobiFirst provides a widget-based website development interface. This means that there are pre-existing customizable widgets that you can rearrange, design, and modify to suit your website's requirements. These can be both content or design widgets. They regularly add more to their widget collection, which means that the list of options you get is endless. 7. Cloning of widgets or complete sites. This is one of the most useful features of MobiFirst. Let's assume that you are building a new website or a new section in your existing website with some similar content or design elements. Normally, to do so, you will recreate the original elements from your site from scratch. But with MobiFirst, you can say goodbye to that time-consuming process. With this website developer, you can simply duplicate the elements that you want onto your new website or web page. You can not only clone widgets, but also duplicate full websites and then customize their themes. Imagine how much of your time will that save. 8. Personal as well as commercial usage. As mentioned above, Users can create websites for personal use or for their clients as well as using MobiFirst. Users can build multiple websites and that at a one-time fee. It also offers several tools under the commercial license such as customer relationship management systems, proposals and invoices, agency website templates, and more at a fixed one-time price. 9. Regular updates. As you might be well aware that Google, as well as other search engines, regularly update their algorithms. This is done to make the user experience better and more optimized. And MobiFirst knows it. Therefore, it constantly upgrades its systems to optimize the designing and building of websites as per the Google algorithm. 10. Other tools. Besides speed, there are many other factors that determine search engine rankings, such as SEO. MobiFirst is extensively equipped to make your website SEO-friendly. It also supports multiple languages including French, German, and Italian. Further, it allows you the option to add a customizable, full-fledged blog to any web page or site. With these website development tools, MobiFirst ensures that your website hits the top charts.